Good morning everyone. Today I'll be talking about active and passive voice. Rules for active and passive voice. First is the rules for simple present tense. You can identify whether it is simple present tense from the verb used. For example, he reads a novel. First question, he reads a novel. You understand that it is a simple present tense form which is used because you have an S or ES attached to it plus the first form of the verb. So when you convert it into passive form, the answer would become, first you have to write the object. You can see the rules as also. So here it is the object. Object is a novel. Is or am plus are. Usually you write a novel is. A novel is always followed by is. If it was novels, it would be are. Here it is a novel, so it is. A novel is. Third form of the verb read is read. Another example is write, wrote, written. First form is write. Second form is wrote. Third form is written. So here it is read. So a novel is read by him. By him is optional, so I didn't write here. So a novel is read. So if it was a negative sentence, he does not cook food. Here again it is the same rule that should be used. Only thing is you have to add a not to it. So object is food. Food is not. V3 form of the verb cook is cooked. Food is not cooked by him. And now coming to the third one, it is a question. Does he purchase books? If it was a sentence, it would be he does purchase books or he purchases books. Then the answer would be books are purchased by him. So similarly, since it is a question, you have to rearrange it. Are will come first. Are books purchased by him? If it was a book, it would have been is the book purchased by him? Since it is books, the answer would be are books purchased by him? Same thing is the case with simple past tense. Only difference is instead of the is, am and are, we use was or were. Here you can see, we can understand from the question itself, it is Rima cleaned the floor. Active voice would be subject plus V2 form plus object. Second form of the verb, cleaned, past tense form. So you understand that it is simple past tense. So the answer would be again the same. The object should come first. The floor was or were. So here it is was. Third form of the verb, cleaned by Rima. Again, second one is a negative sentence. It's all the same. Just you need to add a not to it. Naaman did not call my friends. My friends was aware. It is were. My friends were not called by Naaman. Call. Third form of the verb is called. Now coming to a question. Did Naaman call my friends? Naaman did call my friends. So, my friends were. It's not was, it's were. So, since it is a question, you have to start with were, the helping verb. Were my friends called by Naaman? So, you just need to understand the rules and convert it. You need to learn the rules for each of these voices. Coming to present continuous tense form. How can you identify whether it is simple present continuous form? Continuous form means ing form. Here you can see singing. If it is present continuous, it would be is or am or are plus ing form of the verb. Here is singing. So you understand that the question is in present continuous form. Isha is singing a song. You have the rules given there. First, you have to write the object. First rule, you can see the passive voice rule. First, bring the object. Object is a song. A song would be followed only by is. A song is plus being. You have to add a being to it. Being plus third form of the verb singing is sung. Sing, sang, sung. So, a song is being sung by Isha. Same thing, second question, it's a negative sentence. Kritika is not chopping vegetables. Again, object vegetables are, since it is vegetables, you have to use are to it. Vegetables are not being chopped by Kritika. So coming to a question, is Kritika buying a table? Again the object, a table. The question word is. Is a table being bought by Ritika? Same thing is with past continuous tense also. Instead of the is, am and are, you have was or were. Here, Nitika was painting the wall. Was painting is past continuous. Continuous means ing form. Past because you have was or were there. Here it is was. Nitika was painting the wall. Again the rule, the wall. Object should come first. The wall was or were. It is was. You have to add a been plus third form of the verb. Painting is painted by Nitika. Second sentence is a negative sentence. Manish was not repairing the car. Again, the object, the car, was not being repaired by Manish. It is, you have to add a being to it. Just learn the rules and write the answers. Last one is a question where you reciting the poem. So here the answer would be, was the poem being recited? Why did you bring a was there? Because it is the poem which is your subject here, the poem. So object is the poem. So if it was poems, you could have written where. Since it is the poem, you have to write was the poem being recited. So next is coming to present perfect tense. Perfect tense means you would have has, have or had. If it is has or have, it would be present perfect tense. So active form, Nitesh has challenged her. It is present perfect, has challenged. So it is has, you understand that it is perfect. Since it is has or have, it is present perfect. Same rules here. Nitesh has challenged her. Her is the object. It would become she. She plus has or have. She has. You have to add a been. B-E-E-N. Been challenged by Nitesh. Same thing. Only thing is you have to add a has or have plus been. She has been challenged. Third form of the verb challenged is challenged by Nitesh. Again, second one, if it is a negative sentence, Radhika has not written an article. Object, an article has not been written by Radhika. If it was articles, you could have written have. Since it is an article, it is has not been. Only thing is you have to add a not to it. Last one is, have they left the apartment? Have they? So the answer would be, has the apartment, I have missed the there. Has the apartment been left by them? It is the apartment, so it is has. If it was apartments, you could have written have. Here it is, has the apartment been left by them? So don't forget to add been here, been, B-E-E-N. If it was past perfect tense, the only difference is that instead of the has and have, you have had. See, Misha had cleaned the floor. The answer would be the object, the floor, had plus been plus cleaned by Misha. Here you don't have any other option. Whether it is singular or plural, you just need to add had to it. So had plus been plus V3 form of the verb. Here second question, Vidhi had not received the parcel, negative sentence. So the object, the parcel, had plus not plus been plus third form of the verb received is received by Vidhi. Last one is had they caught the thief? Had the thief been caught by them? So this is, you just need to understand the rules and answer the questions. Now coming to future simple tense or simple future tense. For simple future tense or future simple tense, question would have a will plus first form of the verb. So Kriya will sew the bag. So the answer would be like, the object should be brought to the front, the bag plus will plus be. You have to add a be to it. The bag will plus be plus third form of the word sew is sewed. The bag will be sewed by Kriya. So now coming to second one, it's a negative sentence. Disha will not arrange the things. The things will not. You have to add a not to it. That's it. The things will not be arranged by Disha. Now last one is a question. Will you mop the floor? The question word, the will should be there. the floor be, will the floor be mopped by you? Or if it was a simple sentence with simple future tense, the question it would be, the sentence would be, the floor will be mopped by you. So when you rearrange it, you can make it into a question. Will the floor be mopped by you? Now coming to future perfect tense. Future perfect means perfect tense form would be there. You have, then future tense form will is there. So you understand that the question is future perfect tense. So they will have brought the toy. The answer would be, bring the object first, the toy. Will plus have plus been plus V3 form of the verb brought by them. The toy will have been brought by them. You have to add will have been. That is the only difference. Will have been. So again, in a negative sentence, Nimesh will not have changed the table car. Object, the table car will not have been changed by Nimesh. So you just need to add a not along with it. Now last one is a question. Will she have written the notes? So it would be, will the notes have been written by her? You just need to look at the rules. Don't look for whether it is appropriate or whether the sentence or it's right. Just go for the rules and write the answer. So will the notes have been written by her? There are some exceptions. There is no passive voice formation for present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense and future continuous tense. Hope you understood everything. So first one is simple present tense. The form is object plus is am, are plus V3 form of the verb plus or subject. Next is object plus, for simple past tense, object plus was or were plus V3 form of the verb. For present continuous tense, it is object plus is or am plus are plus being plus V3 form of the verb. For past continuous tense, it is object plus was or were plus being plus V3 form of the verb. For present perfect tense, it is object plus has or have plus been plus V3 form of the verb. For past perfect tense, it is object plus had plus been plus V3 form of the verb. For simple future tense or future simple tense, it is object plus will plus be plus V3 form of the verb. For future perfect tense, it is object plus will plus have plus been plus V3 form of the verb. And here we have the exceptions. You just need to look at the rules. You just need to understand the first rule in each of those tense forms and you would be able to write the answer. So here I have talked about converting from active to passive. Similarly, you'd be asked to convert the questions from passive to active as well. The same rule follows. So that's it. Thank you.